President Emerson Mnangagwa has subtly expressed his intention to remain in office beyond 2028, after instructing Politburo members to uphold conference resolution that pave the way for his extended rule. Sandamna mashoko nokwakunzi aiwa mutungamiri wenyika achiexpressa achideliver his speech otaura mashoko ekuti vakomana kana mamembers of the party they must hold my resolutions at the conference but pave a way for his plan to 2030 zvakuda pachena vakati aiwa saka mutungamiri wenyika panapa ane my intentions ekurula beyond 2028 nokuwa subscribe or like on the bell kuti mutanaudarika muchinzi. Speaking at a Politburo meeting in Harare on Wednesday, Mnangagwa emphasized the importance of unity and discipline within the party. In quotes, we must expose and reject those people who engage in political grandstanding along with those who support them. Mnangagwa asserted, stressing that any action aimed at creating discord will not be tolerated. The conference resolutions which Mnangagwa had endorsed proposed extending his term in office beyond 2028. This move would require constitutional amendments to take effect. Mnangagwa reminded members to adhere to the values and principles of ZANU-PF, both individually and collectively, and to follow the party's line without exception. In quotes, we must follow the correct line of the party without exception, he emphasized. In conclusion, Mnangagwa stressed the need for ZANU-PF to maintain unity and discipline, referencing the party's constitution as a critical guideline. The continued implementation of our conference decision, policies and programs must reflect the party's commitment to progressive nation building, he emphasized. Mashoko atirauti mutungamiri wenyika panguva inoi akadzidzisa vanhu vake vanhu vakomana vanotungamira kuti aiwa let us maintain peace and order aiwa hatikwanisi kuuya tichistopa vakomana against this 2030 plan. Tudze mafungiro enyu matikudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.